DespairRepair.com. Hi everyone, and welcome to DespairRepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to solve the problem of a squeaky door. So if you move the door of your car back and forth and a squeaking or screeching sound appears, we'll show you how to solve the problem. You won't need any tools for this repair. All you'll need is some sort of lubricant. So what you can use is either the WD-40 spray, you can use some lithium grease, or a can with engine oil. Now, as you've already probably concluded on your own, every door is held in place by two hinges. This one up here and this one down here. Besides that, you have a mechanism, a small mechanism right here, which has the purpose of holding the door in place once it's opened. From my experience, most of the problems of a squeaky door is caused by the mechanism right there. It gets either corroded or dirty and produces the squeaky sound. The hinges are rarely the problem, but nevertheless, if you see a corrosion buildup on them and you see that they're not lubricated properly, you can also put some lubricant on them. Your main task with this fix, or what you're supposed to do, is to lubricate 3 points: the upper hinge, the mechanism, and the lower hinge. First, we'll start with the WD-40 spray. Okay, this is a short-term solution because the moment the WD-40 spray evaporates, the door will probably start squeaking again. But for the purposes of presentation, we'll show it with this spray. It would be better if you had a can of lithium grease spray or some other spray that's meant exactly for lubricating. First, you take the spray and apply it to the upper hinge. Okay, put it inside here. Spray up and here. You can put some spray down here. Put the spray on any part of the hinge that is accessible, okay? The more the better. After that, go on to the mechanism and put some spray on it, on every part. Okay. And do on the lower hinge as same as on the upper hinge and put inside as much as possible. Okay. After that, take a piece of cloth, wipe it off a bit, like this, and then move the door right and left so the spray can get into the hinges and the mechanism as much as possible. If everything is okay, the door should stop squeaking. Next, if you don't have a spray, you can use a can with engine oil. The system is the same as with the spray, so apply some oil into the hinges as much as possible. Okay, this makes a bit of a more mess. Apply it on the door hinge like this, and apply it on the mechanism, and apply it on the door hinge also. As you can probably see, this makes a bit of a more mess, so have a cloth at hand so you can wipe any oil. Use your finger and rub the oil into the mechanism as much as possible, like this. Rub it into the rubber part here, and again move the door forwards and backwards so the oil gets inside the hinges and spreads onto the mechanism. And the third way you can do this is with lithium grease. Now, if you use lithium grease, it will mostly help if the mechanism is the problem. If the hinges are very corroded, then because of the accessibility of the hinges, the lithium grease won't help that much. Your task here is to take some lithium grease, like this. I will use my finger. You can use a piece of cloth or a stick of some sort and apply it on the mechanism like this. Okay, and if you can get some grease inside this part of the mechanism here, rub it all over, put some on the rubber, and then again move the door left and right so the grease gets inside as much as possible. So there you have it, one more simple repair that you can surely do on your own. I hope this video helps. If it did, give us a like and subscribe. If you need any additional information, leave a comment. Also, if you find the time, visit us on our website at despairrepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Thanks for watching.